Hey, fourth grade, are you ready for your final math project? Get ready because we're going to be planning for a staycation. What does that mean? It means that we are going to plan for a vacation that allows us to not have to book hotels. So it means you stay at home on the nights, and during the day, you go and you adventure someplace else that is driving distance so that you're able to get back home in time for bed. So a staycation can be really fun, especially during all these crazy times with COVID, because they're realistic. It's something that you could do with your family this summer if maybe the adult in your life is able to have some vacation time. So let's kind of go through this assignment and see what we need to do. So directions are obviously, look at this, all caps, read, please read directions, solve your questions on paper, and then record the answers in the documents. On the third slide, you're going to need this information whenever you calculate how far you're driving and how much gas you'll need according to that. So basically, the overall thing is that you're going to plan out days. And we started this on this last Friday when you picked 4 places that you want to go within driving distance from your home. And so you're going to pick which one you want to go to first. And that's going to be day 1 of your research. And so you're going to kind of go through and figure out how much money is this going to cost, and you're going to budget for your staycation. So the first step is to list 5 reasons for visiting this location, or to list facts about the attraction that you're going to. So let's say you want to go to the St. Louis Aquarium and you want to ride the Ferris wheel, okay, all in one day. So your reason is that maybe you've never been there, but you're really excited to go see it. Maybe reason 2 is one of your friends has been there and they told some really cool stories and you want to experience it. And then maybe 3, 4, and 5, you don't have any more reasons left that you want to go. But maybe you can look up some facts about the attraction and something that you might be interested in doing when you're there. So that's what you can list here. Then transportation. So you're going to figure out, how much gas is it going to take to get to and from your location. So go to Google Maps, type in from Belleville to the St. Louis Aquarium, see how many miles that is, and then you're going to go to this page. This is what we're using for gas price because we all know gas price changes a lot. And here, honestly, it's probably predicting a little low because gas prices have recently been much higher than this. But we're going to go with this, and you're going to find your car, or a car that you would most likely, that's very similar to what you drive or your parents drive. And so let's say that you are in a Chevy Impala, so that gets 22 miles per gallon. Let's say that whenever you travel to St. Louis, it's about 12 miles, and so that's 24 miles total. So you would really only need 1 gallon of gas. So you would need $2.63 to get to and from. Okay? Then you're going to look at admission. So where you're going, do you have to purchase tickets? If you have to purchase tickets, you need to assume, how many people are going, how much are the tickets individually. Maybe adult price is different than kid price. So cost per ticket goes here. The number of tickets that you need goes here. And then it says take the number of tickets times cost per ticket to find your total cost. So you're going to show your work here. And all of these are text boxes, so when you click on them, you can type in them. Okay? Then you're going to think about where are you going to eat. Maybe you'll eat breakfast at home, so no extra cost than normal. Maybe you'll eat lunch at the aquarium or someplace near the aquarium, and so you will figure out how much that's going to cost. And then maybe dinner, you could eat out, you could go back home, but you would add up the total and make sure you calculate for all the members in your trip that are going with you, not just yourself. Okay? So that is what you're going to do. And so Monday, notice I put labels on here. So Monday, you'll do day 1. You'll pick a place and you'll do all sorts of research just on that place, reasons, transportation. Admission costs, sometimes you're going to a park. Maybe there's no admission cost. So then you would put 0 and you'd feel really good about that. Maybe that day you could eat dinner out since you didn't have to pay for tickets or anything. So try to keep a good budget going. Don't overspend wherever you're going. On Tuesday, you're going to talk about your second place that you want to go to, why, how much it's going to cost for tickets, how much your food and drink will cost, and then how much it is for transportation. Maybe you're going a little bit further on day 2. Day 3 you'll do on Wednesday. Day 4 you'll do on Thursday, but then don't forget about slide 8. So on slide 8, you are going to write an itinerary. And what that means is you're going to click on this box and you're going to say maybe what time you'll wake up. So this is like your schedule for the day. So 6 a.m. wake up, leave house, leave house by 8. Okay, and then, so these are just kind of short little phrases. Arrive at the aquarium at 8:30. And make sure you guys also check for, like, is it going to cost to park where you go? Because I think whenever you guys go to the aquarium, like if that is something that you would want to do, I believe you have to pay to park. So make sure you kind of calculate that in. Maybe that could go in with your gas price because that's car related. So always keep those things in mind. Even if you're going to a park, sometimes you have to pay for to park there as well. You might have to park at a meter, and that's by the hour normally. So basically you're going to just go through here. So maybe you'll tour aquarium next, lunch at Subway at noon, go to the Ferris wheel. Okay, so you kind of get the gist. So, but you need to have timestamps. So like noon was here, go to Ferris wheel at 1, let's do 1:30. Let's give us plenty of time for lunch. Okay, so make sure you put timestamps with it, and after every item, just hit the enter button. You could even enter twice if you want to have extra space, but make sure that you have enough room to get all the way to where you arrive at home. So this is kind of good to have for a vacation so that you can keep on track and make sure you get everything in during the day that you want to do. And so on Monday, make sure that you also come to slide 8, same with Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of this week, and fill out your schedule for each day. Friday of this week, what you'll do is you'll put what your destination was for day 1 and the total cost for that day. So you'll take all your totals for gas and food and ticket prices. You'll add that up and you'll put your total cost here, and then your total budget is all 4 days added up into your total vacation cost. So maybe you can actually figure out, so your budget is normally like what your goal is, like your total cost goal, and then this is what it will actually cost, okay? So have fun planning your summer staycation, and maybe you can convince your parents or the adult in your life to maybe go on one of these trips for the summer, since you get to stay at home and it's a little bit of a money saver. So enjoy the project and let's finish out the year strong. See you guys. Bye.